Hi guys, thanks for checking out one of our videos here at Black Stag Styling and AW Smart Repairs. If it's not the first video you've checked out, do get onto the channel, check out some of the other videos of all the different bits and pieces we do here, from our repairs, styling, hydro dipping, lots of different things. We have something rather special in with us for the next, I'd say probably couple of weeks whilst we get this all repaired. So we have a fantastic Ferrari 488 Spider, lovely bit of kit this, of course in Ferrari red, so looks the part. So this is in with us to have the front end repaired and painted, just due to some stone chips. So we'll be removing the front bumper, fully repairing and painting the front bumper, repairing the bonnet. Because of how the bumper comes up, we're probably not going to need to blend into the back sections of the wings, and we should be able to keep it all to the front bumper and the bonnet. So that's what we're looking to do. Everything will of course be lacquered, then fully machine polished and ready to go back onto the car and all put back together at the end. So we'll take you through the whole process of this, have a little bit of fun, of course, like we do on our videos, so please stay tuned for this. Don't forget to check out some of our other social medias like Instagram, Facebook and of course TikTok. So we will get this into the workshop and well, start stripping all the relevant bits and pieces off. Stay tuned for this, fantastic car to be working on, and we will get this all looking lovely, ready to go away for the winter and to come back out for the nicer weather next year, we hope. Thanks very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe of course to the channel, and turn on the old notifications. Right, let's get this bad boy into the old workshop. Here we go. Right, whilst we're working on the Ferrari, thought I'd just give you a little view around the older workshop of some of the other jobs we are doing at the moment. So we've got quite a few bits and pieces on the go. Here we go, look. We've got a Toyota Supra in at the moment, just have a couple of little bits and pieces of paintwork done, nothing major. Just on the front bumper, lower section and on the sill, so that's all off. There we go, there's the BMW engine apparently, is that right? In the old Supra?
Fingers crossed it does, because you don't want a Toyota engine in, do you? You'd rather have a nice reliable BMW
nice
engine.
German engineering in
German engineering to the best rather than that Japanese rubbish, isn't that right, Tommy?
Yeah.
Who'd want a 2JZ, eh?
Oh!
A nice rusty BMW. Lovely old job, it's just what you want.
And then we've also got the Ford Ranger in that Rob's now working on.
Yeah, the sensible one.
Yeah, the sensible one. This has been in a few times for bits and pieces already. We've done the Predator headlight upgrade. So check this out, it'll be on one of our other videos. Look at that, Rob's just demonstrating the lights for us. Perfectly timed, that. A bit smart them, so we supply and fit all of these on the pickup trucks. Done a few other bits and pieces on this. We've got Astra just sitting on the side here, so this has had all bodywork, the whole side repaired and painted. Pete's just finishing that. And then of course young Francois doing a wheel over here as well. Look.
Now it might look like I'm fixing my mistakes, but I'm not.
No, we won't. I wasn't going to say anything, mate. It's just to say what a lovely job you're doing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one. There we go. It's not fixing any mistakes or problems at all, are you, mate?
No, no problems around here, mate. Well, you go over there to Tommy. A whole world of problems.
And then we've got the Ferrari as well, as you've seen. So all the bits are now stripped off this. We have the front bumper, got to be repaired and painted, and the bonnet sitting over there as well. So there we go, a few little bits and pieces, just give you a view around the workshop what we're doing at the moment. Right, we're now over with Tommy, look, who's stripping the Ferrari.
Yep.
Now got most of the Ferrari front bumper apart, I think, really, mate?
Yeah.
And the lower section
bits later.
Lower section
Yep.
all removed. He's now about to, now about to remove the Ferrari badge, I feel.
Watch this.
We're watching.
Superhuman strength, right? Famous last words. Nah, ain't superhuman.
So he had already started removing this,
No,
in
I
case you think he's ripping it off with his hands.
I've got a super strong hand.
There we go, it's just removing the Ferrari badge. And then it will be a case of getting both these bits all repaired.
Yep.
Ready for a bit of paint, isn't it, mate?
Yeah.
Could do a little bit of sanding, remove the old stone chips.
Yeah. Yeah. Remove all this old, whatever this is.
Yeah, the spray on film.
Alright.
It's good film,
I
isn't
thought that was cling film.
it? Might be cling film.
I'll put a sandwich in there.
Lovely, there we go.
Lovely.
Right, here we go. It's now time to get the Ferrari parts all painted. So Fraser's got them all set up in the booth, as you can see behind me. So I'll give you a quick view of these, and then Fraser will be coming in. I'll lay down a little bit of that colour, and then get them all lacquered as well. Then we can leave them to sit and bake off in the booth, ready for when we come back after the weekend. So I'll give you a quick view around these. Don't forget, give us a shout at AW Smart Repairs and Black Stag Styling if we can help with any other supercar repairs. In fact, any car repairs really, and any styling, do give us a shout. Check out the links in the details below. Right, let's have a look at the parts. So we've got the front bumper section. Fraser's got that all ready and the relevant bits masked out. We have the bonnet, so that's all ready as well. And then this is the lower front bumper section, like splitter section. He's masked out the carbon fibre because that has to still be visible at the end. So right, we'll get him in. Yeah, baby, get him doing some painting. Any minute now, we're through that door.
I'm coming! Hello, Alex. As you can see, we've got all the parts for the Toyota MR2, Ferrari MR2, Ferrari 448. 488. That's a Toyota anyway.
Right, here we go. It's now time to get these freshly refurbished alloy wheels back on the car. Yeah, looking lovely. Hands on the case to get them on. Isn't that a good robot, mate?
Yeah,
lovely robot.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice behind as well.
Ah, behind. Behave yourself, would you?
There we go. One of the front ones ready to go on.
Yeah, well, shall we?
Looking lovely jubbly. Yeah, big old wheels these.
Big old boys, aren't they? They're quite light though, you know.
So I just thought I'd show you another little job we've just done on a different car. So we've fully refurbished some headlights for a Ford Focus RS. They just started to go a little bit sort of milky. This happens quite a lot with the headlights on different cars. So we've refurbished them and then re-lacquered them. So I'll give you a little view of these. Look rather smart, that. You can hardly know now. Look as good as new. There we go, there's the other one. Just a slightly different job, but thought I'd show you that one. Thought I'd show you that, it's looking rather good. Right, so we are now starting to get there with the Ferrari. Everything is all painted and lacquered. Tom is now machine polishing or flattening and polishing the front bumper to get that ready to get back onto the vehicle. So we're just going to have we're going to see him in the workshop, see how he's getting on with that. Right, how are we getting on, mate?
All right,
polishing?
Yeah, just finishing up polishing this bit so I can put it back together, and then we'll chuck it on the car and give it a real hard polish. Superb. Sounds good, mate. It's coming out well, isn't it? Yeah, all flatted down in 2000, so obviously get rid of the horrible peel.
Match it in with the car like you were saying earlier.
Yeah, the wings have got a slight bit of peel, but it is quite, being a prestige car, it's quite flat. So
yeah, will make it look lovely.
You have to hit it quite hard, like, yeah, ends up all, here's the difference, it's all sort of, hasn't polished up very well at the moment, but I'll re-polish it on the car.
Yeah, it's getting there nicely.
So we've flatted the whole thing down, you see it's all dull.
Nice, mate, nice.
And you just have to hit it really hard so it will drop back.
Lovely.
Yeah.
And then start getting it all fitted back up?
Yeah, the fun bit.
There's only a couple of clips and fixings, wasn't there?
Yeah, there's about 10,000 bolts per square inch. So yeah, most of the Ferrari's weight is in bolts.
Yeah, not in the plastic or carbon.
Literally, it's just a bag of old bolts. An expensive one.
Yeah, lovely. Right, we'll leave you to carry on, mate.
Thank you.
Right, okay, it is now time to get the Ferrari all washed. So Rob is now on the case, getting it all cleaned, washed, cleaned on the inside, and then we'll be giving it a nice hand polish as well. Get it all ready for our customer to collect it, as it's got to go off into storage. So yeah, we're getting it all finished. We'll just give you a little look at Rob giving it a quick wash. Don't forget to check us out on our website, AW Smart Repairs or Black Stag Styling. Follow us on some of our other social media things as well, like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Just search for our company name, AW Smart Repairs or Black Stag Styling. Right, let's go see how he's getting on. Hi guys, and thanks again for checking out another one of the videos here at Black Stag Styling and AW Smart Repairs. Well, really, what can I say? It's been an absolute pleasure working on this fantastic Ferrari 488. Lovely bit of kit, the Spider version, as you may have known, with the hard top or the hard convertible roof. So it's been an absolute pleasure working on this. So we have removed the front bumper, split the two bumper sections, also removed the bonnet, and then repaired all the little stone chips, little imperfections, bits and pieces across the three panels, fully primed them, painted them and lacquered them, then flattened and machine polished, got everything back onto the vehicle, carried out a full sort of final inspection and detail to all of them areas, and then of course also done the alloy wheels as well. So alloy wheels all been off, chemically stripped, and then repainted and re-lacquered in that lovely grey with the satin lacquer. So and then of course everything back on the car. Everything has been torqued up to the correct settings with the wheels, tyre pressures all correctly set. Car then final detail to finish as well. So we've been right round the car, doing any little further touch-ins, bits and pieces like that, so everything all done. Now ready to go back to the customer. So it's been a pleasure doing this one. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. Please do comment, let us know what you think of the work we're doing, and particularly this car, and we will look forward to catching you again soon. So don't forget, please do like and subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications so you can stay fully up to date with everything we're doing. Check out some of our other social media bits and pieces as well. All the links are down below in the description, so you can get our merch as well from there, so do check all of that out. Stay safe, and we will catch you again soon. We'll give you a final look around the car and see you in the future for another video. Thanks very much.